Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Go on Guitar Wish Wednesday. We love that. You wish for songs, and I bring them up here on Go on Guitar. This time we have you, Arthur Valley. You wished for KB Mike with the song called Deep in Love. And yes, it's a nice song here. Very, very easy to play, actually. So we're gonna use 4 different chords here, and it's in standard tuning, no need for any capo and all that good stuff. So this one is special for you, Arthur Valley, and all you fans there. So let's take a look at Deep in Love. All right, so we will go over the chords like we usually do there, and that is the E minor you hear there, and the chord is played with open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the next chord here, which is the G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third on the E string. Then we have the C G chord. That is basically a C, but with a G in the bass. So it looks like this. It sounds like that. So the G in the bass is the third E, and then it continues with third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord we need to know about is the A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. All right, so before we go into the chord progression and how it looks like on all that good stuff, we need to learn the strumming pattern, all right? So we're gonna have E minor and G to illustrate the strumming pattern. Why? Because one full round of the strumming will be divided into 2 different chords, and that is a rule here in this song here. So it's always all about 2 chords pairing up together, and that will be 1 round of strumming in total. So we're gonna look at the E minor to G, all right? So part 1 played with E minor sounds like this. Okay, so that is down, down, up, clap. Down, down, up, clap. Okay, and then you go to the next part, part 2, and switch chord, in this case to G, and play down, down, clap, down. So that's a down, a short pause, and then down, clap, down. All right, so that is the part 2. And now we're ready to actually put this all together. So the first row or line or half, whatever you want to call it, is E minor part 1, G part 2, then C G part 1, and G part 2. Okay, so that's the first half, and it goes like this. Right? Then we're going to continue with the second half, and that will be E minor part 1, then C G part 2, then A minor part 1, and G part 2. So E minor, C G, A minor, and G, like this. That was the second half, and you know what, this is how we're gonna play from the beginning till the very end of this song here. So the first half, E minor, G, C, G, G, and then you continue with second half, E minor, C, G, A minor, and G. Part 1, part 2, alternating like that throughout the song. And yeah, 1 round sounds like this. Actually 2 rounds, but that is because it's that fun to play. So that was KB's Mike's Deep in Love. So thank you, Arthur Valley, for a wish here on Goring Guitar and interact with me. I love that, and I love to read all the comments of the songs you want to hear and learn. So that gives me motivation. Continue with that, and I hope you enjoyed it, especially you, Arthur. So please feel free to come back here on Goring Guitar, subscribe to this channel, and support me that way. Until next time, play tuned.